Hi, this is Kevin with KGM owner, Pro Advertisers Club, a totally free site to advertise. Go to ProAdvertisersClub.com and join for free today and start advertising for free. All right, we got a minute and a half till I can open. I got 6 chests today. I think I got 5 yesterday. I'm up to 14 on the season. I'm falling in love with the new system. But look what happened to me in the last. Uh, I started losing. I could not, and I have rental cards. And I even rented some new cards, and it was like for every one I won, I lost 4, and it was just like that for the last half. Otherwise, I was going for 10 chests, but I'm back down to almost silver 1 at 1900. So I said, well, I'll wait and do it tonight. I didn't get to play last night like I wanted to, and then I would really have been past 10 probably. But anyway, it is what it is. But good news. Let's go look at this. The battles are up, and the players are up after the incredible plummet down to 142. Is this could have been a combination of things? Maybe strategy adjustment. So people just aren't playing until they figure out that. I'm the same way. I don't really want to play till I understand at least to a bare minimum what's going on and what the best thing to do is. But so that's came back up. So those are 2 good numbers. Everything else kind of stabilized, and the volume plummeted and still went down of USD. So people are just adjusting. Then the bots, got ruined up, so they got to adjust. I'm not saying they won't ever come back. They might. It wouldn't surprise me if they did. So let's go back and see if I can open my chest now. This is not financial advice. Listen to me, you own risk. This is for entertainment purposes only. Please like and subscribe and join on any of the links below. And I'm going to have to go to another page and come back to refresh it. Here's my SPS. I just got done. They just got done airdropping it. So I'm at 1,109 now. This has all been given to me for free. Everybody who has any collection power, they add it all up on for other things. Like plus I get dark energy, and then the total. Then I got 10 points something today. It was the highest I've ever gotten. The price is though only 0.088. When I joined, it was a quarter, and the all-time high I think is 80 cents. So I'm at the bottom, and it could go up, and this could get it up. If it went up to $1, that'd be $1,109. So very nice. Let's go back to the battle, and we can claim. So I guess when you claim it, so if I didn't claim this till tonight, is that when the new 24-hour clock starts? I don't know. Let's see, because when I stopped playing about 2 hours ago. So let's see if the clock starts then. That's important to know because then you can start planning on when to claim it, Now, I've got an email for you to read that will tell us on what I'm getting out of these chests. So there's my 6. So let's do the first one. Potion. But, 72, nice number. But according to him, these are all gold chests because that's what I ended up in last season. And there's a card. That's a new one. That's a new reward card. And 50. Okay, got some rental power back. A couple potions for when I start opening packs again. And a card. So not bad. Not bad at all. Let's close it. Let's go look at my numbers. I'm going to make this a short video real quick today because I can ramble, trust me. But yeah, I'm loving the fact, and I was getting, guys, once I got into gold, I was getting as high as 8,000 SP per battle. So 3 wins, and I would get another chest. Now, in the old system in gold, I think I had a max of 22, 27 maybe. I'm gonna have, at the rate I'm going, I might. There's 10 days left, so I could have close to 100 chests, which could be really good. And then I'm gonna try to do better. Like I'm gonna play tonight and plus tomorrow morning, because that's the only time if I'm not too tired tonight. And if I can get 10 chests a day, that can really help you add up in your asset value. because that's what my video is all about. It's my asset value. I'm not here to teach you guys how to play it because I'm learning myself, but I'm showing and proving that. And actually, hold on. Okay, Eric M. an hour ago. The way I understand the chest works is that you are always going to be earning gold level chests because you finished in gold last season. The benefit of pushing back up to a higher league is that while you are in Silver League, you'll be earning a lesser amount of RP towards those same gold level chests. Once you get into Gold League, you will start earning much more. That's true, towards the chest. The 1, 2, and 3 levels of each league doesn't give you a different type of chest. There will always be gold level. The levels give higher and higher PR for each, so you will get more chest gain towards a standard gold level chest. Okay, so in the old style, there was 3 levels of chest: gold 3, gold 2, gold 1, with different percentages of what you would get out of each. From what he's saying now, there's only 1 gold chest, no matter 3, 2, or 1. But the difference is if you're in silver, and that's true, I wasn't making hardly any SP. I was making like 1,500. Boom, I get into gold, I'm making 5,000 to 8,000. So that part is definitely true. Oh, and your what do you call it rate does affect your SP. It wasn't very noticeable, but once I got under 50%, I was down around the 4,500, and it is listed in there under the capture rate. Okay, so I misinformed when I said it didn't affect your. Let's go take a look at it, and I'll show you. Okay, so here we go. Energy capture rate. That's my DC balance. Okay, it doesn't even say it there. We'll just highlight it then. So let's go up to there. It's 4513. So by the time I start playing tonight, it should be back up above 50, and maybe I'll be making 6, 7. So that does affect it. So you can't play. The gold cards are even more valuable than. End of story. They were valuable before, but now they're even more valuable. So let's go look at what I bought, because today's the odd day. I put in $10 to count for the free SPS, and then that goes for the next 2 days. Every other day, I'm putting in $10, dollar cost averaging. So we're going to go to market history, and I thought I had a really good day in purchasing because I got a little bit of everything. I finished off the Harklaw Legendary. I needed 3 of them or 4. Okay, where's the date? June 4. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I needed 4 more. So that finished off my Legendary. That's a reward card. Then I finished off my gold Gargoyle Loyan common with 3 gold cards at like 40 cents a piece. Then I built my Gene Chihuahua up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, with 8 at 32 cents a piece. Good day. Finished off 2 cards, 1 legendary, 1 gold common, and then I am getting this epic. I love this card. It's also a dragon element. So good day on that. Let's look at the numbers, and then I'm done. Splinterlands 10,000, not sponsored by Splinterlands. Today's the 4th of June. Here's the rules I go by. It's day 152, maybe 153. So I put in $10 today that will count towards tomorrow for the next 2 days. I put it in early so I get the free SPS. It gives me that little extra bonus, which adds up over time. Okay, so I didn't add it in today, though. I'll add it in tomorrow. So profit right now, it bumped a little bit during the night, up $50 actually. 169, 5305 in the box for cards. Collection power is a record again, 156,397. I think 200,000 is diamond to naturally be in. Or no, I need to go to gold 1, and I think that's 175. So I'm getting close to that. $97 in free SPS for a profit. If I sold everything today, drum roll, $233. That's me paying myself back the $800 something I put in out of pocket, and I still got the DC a couple of dollars. So $235 before taxes. Not bad at all for as bad as things are. So very happy with it. Starting to love the new system. At first, I was very irritated by it because I didn't want to spend I just don't have more time. It's very hard for me. I'm so busy. I've got 15 platforms I do, plus I got my online business, affiliate marketing, and then I go and I do the online apps of DoorDash, Uber, Dolly, go make money that way. I mean, I'm non. That's not even counting family time or any time, whatever. Just it's just how it is. There's not enough time to go around and all the things you want to do today, and that's what Netflix, the metaverse. The metaverse wants to get you involved and stay in there. That's the one everything that takes place in the metaverse, and in a lot of cases it will. The shopping's already that way, the watching TV's that way, et cetera, et cetera. And it's just going to get more and more. You pay your bills in the metaverse. I think we already do in a way, and so it's going to be a natural thing to spend time in the metaverse. But again, you got to spend time in the real world too, and that's the battle. Is what do you give up? Now you can play Splinterlands while you're watching Netflix, because Splinterlands stops between battles, and so not that big of a problem. I mean, you can find time and still get your Netflix in, and I'm actually Disney Plus in it right now. So, but anyway, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for the comments. If you got any answers, please leave them. You got any questions, please leave them. If I forget or don't, it's just because I didn't notice. Just do it again. I'll notice it eventually. And like and subscribe, and have a nice day. Thank you.